Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? So today I'm going to be making this easy oven roasted stuffed red snapper recipe. It's going to be stuffed with spinach and a few other delicious ingredients. Stay tuned. Add your fish seasoning, about 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning powder. Mix these two ingredients together until they are fully combined, nicely mixed. Alright, you want to make sure that the seasoning them is well blended together. Then you want to rub the seasoning between the line inside and out. Make sure the fish, nicely seasoned, well seasoned up and marinated. Alright, so after you finish seasoning up the fish, we're gonna move on to the next step. Alright, now we're gonna work on the inside of the fish. We're gonna stuff them with some bell peppers, onion, spinach, tomato, and we're also gonna rub it up with some freshly minced garlic. Top it off with some orange wedges. The orange wedges gonna give the fish a nice citrusy sweet flavor. Alright guys, so at this point you're going to need foil paper and you're going to need butter. Spread out the butter all over the foil paper and then add the fish directly on top. Wrap it up nice and tight, and then we're going to bake our fish for about 25 to 30 minutes depending on the size, and we're going to roast it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, stay tuned. Time to add some water. This is about 4 cups of water. You want to add water to the baking tray. This is gonna allow your fish to stay nice and moist, steam throughout the baking process. Alright guys, so after about 25 to 30 minutes, this is what my roast fish is looking like. Nice and hot, steamy, well seasoned. Everything is looking good so far. Yes guys, at this point you just want to go ahead and squeeze that orange wedge, squeeze out all of that sweet orange juice on top of the snapper. It's going to add a bunch of flavor. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.